the Grand Hotel Royal. It was built in 1896, but in the winter of 2002 the hotel was reopened after an entirely reconstruction work. For example, this grandiose ballroom restored to its original splendor. The Royal is centrally located. We are in the downtown. The Grand Boulevard is in front of the hotel. We are the largest convention hotel in Budapest in the 5-star category. The Royal Suite is located on the 5th floor with very nice view to the boulevard, and this is the largest Royal Suite in Budapest. It's more than 240 square meters. There is a very nice living room, a lounge, 2 bedrooms both sides, and 2 bathrooms, a study, and a meeting or dining room with a kitchen. On the mezzanine level we have our Royal Club. Our executive guests can take advantage of the facilities of the club. They can have private breakfast. There is an extended breakfast time until noon. In the Royal Club you can find also our business center with 3 computer stations, and it's on complimentary basis for our guests. In the afternoon we have a special high tea time with pastries and tea, coffee. We have cocktail hours with special alcoholic drinks, small canapes, and this is only for the executive guests.